We're dairy farmers on the outskirts of Christchurch at Burnham, milking 650 cows on 190 hectares, and we are a self-contained unit running 150 to 160 hectare runoff block on the Old West Coast Road, Courtenay. The Hustler 2000s that we run, we've had for 25 years. Absolutely no problems with them all. They've fed out thousands of bales of hay for us. We bought the RX178 at the beginning of this season, bought it through Farm Chief. Looked pretty extensively at all of the wagons on the market and just loved the simplicity of the 178 with the feedout chute on it, because it can feed the chopped silage, the fodder beet, hay, baleage. It's got less moving parts. It just seems more idiot-proof to me and couldn't be happier. One of the great features of the 178 is the curved bottom on the feedout chute. You don't lose any fodder beet or anything down onto the ground. The benefit of that being is your wheels are not running it over and pushing it into the ground. It's all fed out where you wanted it fed out. We've run Hustler gear for years, and I like the quality of the build. They seem to be strong, very robust, and it's just purely showing up in the maintenance. We have very little maintenance. The 178 most certainly wasn't the cheapest wagon we looked at on the market. I have no regrets at all, purely because of the job it does, the robustness of it, and I'm pleased I made the investment. We would never look anywhere else.